Hello, hello, hello. Just want to make sure. Get on. Check there first, so. Testing, testing. I'm actually going to practice as well.
Oh, Jesus Christ, my battery's going to die.
No.
So, what is the crack, everyone? I'm pretty sure this is the start of the vlog. Yesterday was a savage busy day. We produced a ton of meals and we stocked the fridge downstairs. So that's where I'm going to go and show you that now. We're in the gym now at the moment. So what is going on, everyone? I actually have no idea. Look how sunburnt I am. It is so bad, but I have no idea when the last time I posted, but I'm just going to do a run through of the gym. So this is like when you first come in, you saw downstairs where the meals are, the reception. So you come in here, the treatment rooms are on this side, changing rooms here, and you're into the actual gym itself. So on the left hand side we have all of the dumbbell racks, benches, a lat pull down machine in the corner, and then you're into the actual floor, the mats and the racks. So there are 7 racks, but they're all triples. So you have like a rack here at the front, a middle one, and then a back rack as well. So you can do kind of 3 movements in the one rack. So there's 7 of them, all of the custom plates. So FIT100, all different along the sides. Come up to the top, you have 2 cable pulley machines, so for like chest flies or anything like that. More racks, more deadlifting, chains, another dumbbell section here with mirrors, full dumbbells up to like 60 kilos, loads of med balls, and then you have a full 35-meter length AstroTurf with there are sleds, assault bikes, rows, box jumps, boxes for squat jumps, loads of like foam rollers, weight bags, kettlebells, balls, med balls, another lat pull down machine. It is absolutely incredible here. I mean, the gym itself turned out like amazing, better than I could have ever imagined. So like the utmost respect and congratulations to Colm and John and everyone involved. We then are downstairs, so when we are downstairs, you can't go to our kitchen from here. Well, you're not supposed to, it's like staff only. So the cooking is done downstairs, it's brought up, it's stocked at the reception, or it's put out the gate and delivered, or you can collect your meals in reception as well. So this is the hub, this is the new home, and it turned out better than I ever could have imagined. So if you're in the Limerick area, please do call into us. You can pick up a meal, a lunch, a breakfast, a dinner. You can get a workout, you can get coffee. We have fulfill bars, protein bars, energy drinks, everything you could imagine. It is the mecca of Limerick City, of health and fitness. It is a hub, a community of people who are looking to improve their health, their well-being, their body, their mindset, everything. You know, it's just a good environment to be in, with good people, with like-minded people, and that is it. We cooked yesterday and we'll be cooking tomorrow again, so more business and media kind of things today. That's our sign here, Country Munch. I would probably do an outro for this, but I just want this video to just be like a gym video.